Rose here with Natural Transplants, and we're here with Errol this morning. Okay. And he's here on the day of his surgery. And just tell us a little bit, why did you decide to have the transplant and what brought you to us?
Okay. I came here because my nephew had gotten the procedure done at this exact location with the doctors here, and the results were amazing. So I figured, why not? The proof was in the pudding. And to be perfectly honest, my mom keeps bugging me about getting my hair done, and she's like, I'll pay for it if you get it done. It's literally at least 3 or 4 times a week. And so just to kind of end that conversation, getting it done.
That's a first, getting your mom off your back. Okay,
yeah,
I like it.
Get her off my back. She's like, when are you gonna get your hair done? I'm like, let's do it. And the other thing is, I for a number of years, I was like, I'm cool with not having, I'm gonna get comfortable with the idea of my hair falling out. I was always shaving my head, and I finally was just like, you know what, I want to try having hair again. So, just another stage in life. Why not?
Awesome. Well, today is day 1 of that stage, and we're excited for you to get your hair back, okay? So we're going to be following you throughout the day, and hopefully your mom won't call you about 40 times a day, but we'll check in with her too.
I'm sure she's super excited.
Yeah, for sure. Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and we're here at the very end of the surgery with Errol. We're just placing the final hairs right now. As you can see, he's doing great. So tell us, how did your day go?
It was awesome. I came here really nervous in the beginning, and was totally unfounded. It ended up being like a really relaxing experience. I actually fell asleep a couple of times. I'm tired, but that makes sense because I've been doing this all day, but it's totally worth it, and I think I'm really excited about what's coming in the future. I think it looks good. I hope it looks good.
It does. I'll vouch for that.
Good, yeah.
It looks fantastic.
But it's a totally painless procedure. It's very comfortable. Nothing to worry about, so it's worth it.
Wonderful. Did your mom check in yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll be giving her a call.
Yeah. I'll let her know.
So, we really got him a lot of hairs today. We filled out the whole frontal region, new hairline, and we're just finishing placing some hairs in the crown. So this was a plus case. So it got you a lot of hair, and we're super excited to see the results.
Yeah, and I highly endorse it. I think if you're here on the fence about it, I think it's worth doing. So just dive in, give it a shot.
Awesome. It's great having you here today.
Thank you. Thank you for everything.
It's our absolute pleasure.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.